So this token is making everyone a good amount of money, and guess what? The token is actually priced very low. It is called as Western Asset Reserve, the meme coin that is trending like crazy and actually helping people make good amount of money. I shared this token like a day back, and that time it was at around 0.002, and today you can see it's at 0.006. So clearly a game of three times within 12 hours. So in this video, I'll talk about how you can buy this token, where to buy it in a legit way, and of course, if you're someone who's new here and watching my videos for the first time, please do remember to press the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon if you haven't done already, and I highly recommend that you join my public Telegram group. The link is shared below in the description, and also be part of my platinum community where I share such signals on priority. So click on the join button and be part of platinum. So let's dive in. So this is your walk coin, and now in order to purchase the token, you can see the pump is already happening. By the way, you need to go down here. Of course, I will share the smart contract link, so don't worry about it. And here click on the war, which is right over here, or you can open it up, and once you see the smart contract on Solana, you can just copy this address, which is right over here. Remember, right now it's trading at around 0.006 with market cap of $6.2 million and volume of huge $2 million, which is kind of awesome. Now go back here and go to Jupiter Exchange, which is jup.ag. Once you go here, make sure to connect your wallet. In my case, I connected my Phantom wallet, right? This is my Phantom wallet. I connected it, and I go back, and here I choose the swap option, which is here. You go to swap, and here choose the currency. Make sure to add Solana in your wallet, otherwise you won't be able to transact. Sol is used as a gas fee. Now here I'm choosing USDC. You can choose any token, preferably stablecoin or Solana. And here below, what I'm going to buy is I'm going to put the contract address, which is here. So once I put it, it is war. Click on it. This is the legit smart contract, and now I can purchase it. So for let's say $500, I'm getting around 77k token. I click on swap, and that's it. You need to put your password, enter your password here, whatever the password is, and you are good to go. So just confirm and your transaction will process. That is how you can buy it, and you can sell it similar way. Just make sure to keep the war token on top, and here you can choose any stable coin like USDC or USDT. For more details, if you want any help, well, I am here. You can join my public Telegram group, and if you want to master the skill and learn make profitable trading cryptos and meme coins, make sure to join my platinum Telegram community right away. So with that, I complete my video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Do like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon, and don't miss to join my Telegram. Thank you.